Hi guys, Alexei from Eurasium Solutions with a quick website review. Just come across a site that I reckon probably deserves to be a little bit higher in the search engine and should probably provide a much better user experience overall. After all, the company that runs it is quite a credible one, and I think they basically need to know this stuff. So I've come across a company called Torres Property. They're based in Brisbane, and when you come up and see their website, there is obviously great reviews and everything. And if I want to go and have a look at their team, and you click on this website, it takes quite some time to go in there. And overall, this is a bad indication of user experience. Now, it's important to understand why this happens rather than just bag the website itself. It's very important to sort of dig down to the origin of the site and look. Things are still loading very, very slowly, even though I'm on a very fast internet. Now, there's a great tool called gtmetrics.com, which gives a report to the website using a bunch of different tools, including the Google tool itself. So it ranks the performance at 48%. There's heaps of room for improvement. The site takes roughly about 3.9% to render the content. It takes about 8 seconds to load, which is way below the average. Now, to sort of break this down, there's this waterfall feature. You can have a look at it, and it shows this /, which is the actual host itself. Now, the host itself takes 2.17 seconds to respond. Now, that's really, really slow. This should be in microseconds, if anything. And the rest of the website, obviously, if you look down, it looks at each individual image and all the plugins and stuff, which aren't really that major, but it's the actual host itself, how it basically serves the website. Now, there's a website called check-host.net. If you type in the site, it shows you where it's hosted, and basically you can sort of go from there. So this particular website seems to be hosted by IT2K, which turns out to be website blue if you put that through. Now, these guys obviously do a lot of real estate websites, which is great. However, as typical design companies, they miss out the whole point. Now, there's a few ways to go about this, and really the whole migration to another host is really quite easy and seamless. But at the end of the day, if you're having people waiting for 8 seconds or beyond that to see a site like this to find a key person, that is not something you want to have. And overall, the first thing that people are going to do when they're going to find a listing by Torres Property is probably going to Google up a person who's selling just to have a look at what their reputation is overall. Reputation is great, the website isn't. So hopefully this provides you some insights in terms of what to do. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or comment below. Thank you.